Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me, but this time it is gonna be in my Hobonichi cousin, and we will be planning for the week of the 15th through the 21st. And I'll be using our newest Hobonichi cousin vertical kit from the shop called Book Lover. So this comes in 2 pages, and I'll walk you through the contents of each sheet later. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so it's been a hot minute since I filmed in my Hobonichi cousin. I've been relying on my Hobonichi weeks for the longest time. And I use the Hobonichi cousin for memory planning, and the individual or daily pages at the back of this. If you're new to Hobonichi, you do get pages here at the back. So I did use it for quite some time as a daily planner, but since I've moved to Australia, I haven't been checking my Hobonichi cousin. I haven't been using it, so I'm really excited to get back into planning in my Hobonichi cousin once again. So as I mentioned, I'll be using the kit called Book Lover. So this is in our vertical format. We do have an hourly format as well. Maybe next time I'll use an hourly format, but for today I was feeling the vertical. So you get 2 pages. This is the first page, and you get your date cover. The other date cover is over there. And you also get these boxes, you know, like if you're planning in an Erin Conran, that is the kind of vibe this kit has, this kit format. You also have some blank boxes here at the bottom. You also get the strip stickers. So these are individually cut strips that go over the hours. I'll show you how I use that later. And then we also have the second page, which has the other date cover. These are your bottom bars, some flags. This is for the sidebar. And then you also get like half boxes that are in checklist form, and then a bunch of script stickers down here and a little sticker over there. And in conjunction with this, I will be using the leftover stickers from my Hobonichi Weeks Plan With Me. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below. Okay, so let's get on to putting stickers down. So I always start with my date cover. As I've mentioned in my other videos, this collection does feel a little vintage because of the colors that I used, but it's not completely vintage. So if you want to have that vintage feel, so this is vintage retro feel, then this is a kit for you to pick up and just play around with it. This kit is going to be perfect if you just want the vibe of it. So vintage vibe. So okay, so I've put down the bottom bar as well, and it is looking super pretty. I am going to go ahead and build my sidebar. So I'm going to start with this sticker. I'm going to skip 1 line, and then I'm going to put down this week box as well. So this is going to have a lot of white space for sure. And then I'm going to put down priorities, important. And I don't even know if I want to put down the trackers because I haven't been really tracking. I'm building, well, maybe next week I'll get around to it, to build the habits that I want to track. So this is crooked. I'm going to go ahead and fix that. All right. Also, I'm using my matte sticker paper option from the shop. This is best for ballpoint as well as gel pens and felt tip. So I'm going to take my deco sheet, and I'm going to take this sticker. Oh, I'm going to put a flag down at the bottom. So I'm going to pick the blue one. Going to put it here at the bottom. Okay, and then I'm going to take this circle. I don't want to cover this up, so it will remain like that. And now we're ready to deal with these daily sections. So I'm not going to track hourly, not right now. I don't need to do that. Maybe in the future I will start doing it again. So you just take a strip and it will run down the page and cover everything, basically. So this is going to take a little bit of time. Just be patient. And there we go. So this is all done. Now let's go ahead and play with the boxes. All right, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this double box. Is it really double box though? And start, no, hang on. I wanna put this giant decorative box here at the bottom. I think that is a really fun little image, I guess. All right, so I have a few singles here that could work for any day. So what's gonna happen on Monday? Monday is going to be free for all. What? It's not gonna be the biggest, It's not gonna be the busiest day. So I put down this square. Oh, I forgot to show you. I'm sorry. I'm going to show you a close-up of the spread once it's finished. So that is what I have. I'm just going to go ahead and grab some more stickers. So I grabbed that pen. So I pulled my Sticker Joy stickers over here. This is available at the shop. Okay, I'm going to take this coffee sticker and then just grab the black and white one. So these stickers are super tiny, and they will fit the weeks perfectly as well. Always start the day with coffee. This one in particular because it's a Monday. Okay, that looks good. Now let's go ahead and see what else I need to do today. Or this day, I'm gonna take my to-do header. And I'm gonna pull this green one. Well, it's both green at the top and the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna take this little tiny one here. Okay, I'll take a camera. Oh, I'm gonna take also one of the blank boxes. So this is the longest plan with me of life, I think. Come on, lift. There we go. No. All right. She goes back there. All right. Okay. So now let's do Tuesday. Tuesday is also another day that I'll just be by myself doing stuff. I'm going to put this just to balance it out over here in the middle. And I'm going to go ahead and put down one of these for here. I'm going to take notebook. I have a meeting. I have several meetings. No, actually I have one meeting and I have 2 workshops on that day. And then Thursday, it's a little bit more Thursday, it's a little bit more chill once again. And then I'm going to take this one and this one and just spread it around. Okay. Sundays I don't do anything, so I'm gonna put this up there. All right. Okay, and then I'm going to take, no, hang on. Perfect. So I'm going to take coffee cup, put it here. This is major study day because I need to prep for Wednesday. Here I'm going to take the one at the bottom. And basically she's going to tell me that I have to go out. And then I'm going to take coffee cup where she is just swimming in coffee. Okay, so my husband called me and I had to stop, but I did put this on here. All right, so I put a flag down, wrote down plan. There will be no new releases on the 21st because we are preparing for Christmas in July. We have a ton of new kits. Fall kits will drop in the shop. Make sure to watch out for that because they will be discounted, of course. Right, so I took a work sticker. I'm gonna take this blank box, put it over here, and just put a sticker down there so I will know what to do that day, hopefully. Okay, and then I'm also going to take this deco and put it down here and keep this blank. And then on Wednesday I have a few things to do, so I will be using one of these. Okay, no, I'll put this at the bottom. And I want to write down things that happened in the day if they all went according to plan. And then I'm going to take this little bookmark, put it at the side, and I think I'll just write down the things that I need to do that day on there. All right, I still have these. I think I'm just going to go ahead and put this down here. I don't know if it's looking a little cluttered. I feel like it's looking tiny bits cluttered, just a tiny bit. Okay, I'm going to put today header down. School today. Not header, but script sticker. That's cute. And then I'm going to put to do over here. And then I'm going to take weekend already. We're going to be ending soon. Bear with me. We're almost done. Okay. And then I'm going to take a deco. This one. Oh, I could... Okay. I'm going to put it behind weekend. Just as a decorative touch. There we go. I've been very lucky today. When I peel the stickers, the paper doesn't go with the sticker, if you know what I mean. It doesn't tear. Sometimes it will do that. 2 more. Yay. Okay. I have this here. So Friday. Yay. And this one here. All right. Wow, this is looking really good. I was not expecting that. Okay, I'm gonna put a today script sticker down and then put a checklist on top. I'm going to put a to-do sticker here, to-do script sticker. I'm going to take this once again. Okay, and then I'm going to take a checklist, a brown checklist, and I'm putting it over here. I'm gonna mark this or use this for house stuff. So I have dots here. You get 8, I think. I'm gonna put my workshop schedule there. No meeting and 2 workshops, as I mentioned. It is so cold. Well, it's not really cold in terms of temperature. What's cold is the wind, and it's pretty windy today. Not the happiest day. Okay, I have a little notebook here. Angle it. Yes. Okay, I love it. And then I have a few things here still. I'm gonna just use this up. Find a place for this. And we're done. No, we're not. I almost forgot to use this. Perfect. Okay, and I think we're done. Nope, no, we're not. I'm gonna put this elsewhere on this week. So I don't write, I only write what's happening in the week, not for every day. I don't find that I need to do that. Regrets. I should have put a deco on top here. Can I still do that? No, nothing sparks joy right now. Maybe later I'll find a sticker that's perfect for this area, but I think we are all done with our spread. Do you like it, guys? I love it. I love it so much. I'm gonna fill this out later some more, like the dates and everything. Okay, no. Let me just put the dates down and then I'll scoot you over so you can see the decos clearly. Perfect. Okay, here we go, guys. Wow, 30 minutes. All right, so that is what we have. Whew, that took some time, but I am still trying to get into the Hobonichi cousin once again, so I'm forgiving myself. Right, so deco sheet is all done. Well, this was half full anyways. And then the first page has these few stickers left here. So that's just a bar of sticker that you can use decoratively any way you want. And then I still actually have a bunch of stickers here that's left. Maybe I'll use this somewhere in the spread later in the week. I'm not sure. But if you'd like to see how my pages turn out at the end of the week, make sure that you follow me in my Instagram. I'll leave a link below. So that's it, guys, for today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, subscribe to my channel and follow us on our social media. Our Instagram and Facebook is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!